morning, let's get into my 5 a.m. That Girl morning routine. Very realistic and very catered to me and what that girl means to me and being the better version of myself. So I start by waking up obviously to my alarm. I do a little stretch in the morning just to stretch my body and wake up. I drink some water because I always have a glass of water next to my bed from the night before so I can hydrate myself first things first. And then I get out of bed so that I can, of course, make my bed, accomplish one thing small in the morning right away. And it just makes your room look all put together, doesn't look messy, doesn't urge you to get back in your bed. You guys know what everyone says, but it's truly true. Honestly, it literally is life-changing. Little habits make up your morning routine, and it's something that it's a habit. You'll do it every day without even thinking about it, and it'll just make you feel more accomplished. I then head over to the bathroom to brush my teeth and also wash my face and just kind of like wake myself up because it's still really early. And I just love rinsing my face in the morning with only cold water, not like with my face wash or anything, because I am gonna go do a workout and I just don't like to overwash my face personally. This just works for me. Everyone's routine is gonna be different, but I just like to do a little cold rinse. If you're not a morning person and you're waking up at 5 a.m. or trying to wake up earlier, definitely recommend washing your face with cold water. It'll make a huge difference. And then I go to my room and take out my outfit for the gym this morning. So I'm wearing Fabletics leggings, a Nike sports bra, and then my Alo socks. Fun fact, these are the most comfortable socks that I own. I am obsessed with them, and I also am so grateful because I'm actually working with Alo Moves in today's video, so thank you for partnering with me. So I just get ready for the gym and throw on my outfit, and then I'm ready to do some journaling. Journaling has been something that has been sticking to my routines, especially in this whole that girl aesthetic. Like, you are trying to become this better version of yourself and what works for you and with what you want to accomplish in your life. And I feel like journaling is an amazing way to do so. I love my 5-minute journal. I do it morning and night, and it just makes me really feel motivated throughout the day. I'm writing out what I'm grateful for. Through that, I'm also manifesting what I want, and it's just a great thing to do. And now it's time to head to the gym. I personally love driving this early in the morning, hearing the birds chirp. It's just an amazing way to start the morning and getting in like that early body movement. So now I'm ready to get started with moving my body. Alo Moves is ready to get you motivated this summer with 100+ new classes added to its content library each month. They have something for everybody, whether you like yoga, whether you like Pilates, whether you just want to do a little fitness routine and move your body. They have such a wide variety of things that everybody can do. So they have a ton of motivational workout series to inspire you to get moving and get you feeling strong from the inside out. Definitely recommend adding this to your version of your healthy routine, whether that's your morning routine, your night routine, or whenever you can get in moving your body, because I know we all have busy schedules, and that's what's amazing about this. You can do it from anywhere at any time. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. They have a wide range of fitness and mindfulness content ranging from 5 to 50 minutes. So prioritizing self-care has never been easier. And like I said, everyone has a busy schedule. So I hope this motivates you to get the app and get your body moving with Alo Moves. So this morning I decided to do the daily vinyasa flow. I just love vinyasa yoga, and I'm so excited because I think I'm going to do another video trying out Pilates for a week. So stay tuned. I'm really excited to film that because I know a lot of people are into Pilates right now. So this is me trying to attempt. I'm like, girl, I cannot do this right now, but I tried, and that's all that matters. So I just finished up my yoga and then went back home. The first thing I do when I get home is obviously shower because I'm sweaty. So I love to just take a nice relaxing shower, obviously clean my body before I eat my breakfast and get started with the rest of my day. Also, here's a reminder to drink water. I got into a comfy little fit from YesStyle. I'll link it below. It's super cute. I love matching sets, especially. It's very like that girl of me, I feel like, for this video. And then here I'm making my iced coffee. So what I'm going to do for this, it's an iced latte actually. What I do for my lattes that I'm going to make an iced latte is I brew the pod over the sugar already so that it can melt, because obviously it's going to come out hot. And so I just stir it up, let the sugar dissolve, and then I put it in the fridge for a bit just to cool it down so it doesn't melt the ice, because I hate when my ice melts. And then while that's like in the fridge, I'm gonna make my breakfast. I made breakfast for me and my mom, so I'm just making my scrambled eggs bowl that I make all the time. Also great for my little protein after the gym. And then I'm finishing off my iced latte, so I'm just using my Planet Oats oat milk and frothing it cold, which is why I love my Nespresso, because you can make the frothed cold milk. Like, are you kidding me? It's literally the best thing ever. And then I just get in some ice in a little mason jar that we have. I just really the little things that make up a routine. I look forward to my coffee. Every morning routine is like my favorite thing, and then I pour in the coffee that I had in the fridge, the little espresso, and then here you go. Here is my iced latte. It's so yummy. I love the Chiaro pod. I also love Bianco Leggero. Those are my favorite Nespresso pods. Cheers. Let's enjoy this breakfast. And now is a time where I really go on my phone, check all my social media, whether that's TikTok, whether that's Instagram. I do maybe the Wordle for the day, respond to any texts that I have, and just that's where I'm really like on my phone because I haven't been on my phone all morning. And I think that's a great habit to get into, especially like becoming the best version of yourself and, trying to accomplish your goals. Like if you're just aimlessly scrolling all day, then that's no good. So I personally try to not be on my phone at all until it's like breakfast time and I can like, sit and relax and I have the time to do so. So after I finish my breakfast and wash all my dishes, of course, I head over back to my room and head over to my desk. I love my new workspace with my iMac. Go check out that video if you haven't yet. And I'm ready to get started on my workday. So I'm actually posting a video this day. So I went ahead and started working on the thumbnail. I use Canva to make my thumbnails. And so I just do a little bit of computer work for YouTube. So I was just getting done the thumbnail, the description box, and then I wanted to answer some emails from either UGC or sponsorship opportunities from brands. So I like to do that right away and also answer any like more urgent emails. It just makes me feel like I don't have anything to worry about, until I get more emails, obviously. So that's just something that I've implemented more into my routine because personally, if not, I feel like my mind is just always racing like, okay, what emails do I have to respond to? Is there something like I need to get to? So it just helps me clear my mind. So that is what I did right after breakfast. And once I finished up all of that stuff, it's time to get ready for the day. And by get ready, I mean like do my mascara and that type of stuff. I already have my comfy outfit on for the day, so I was all set with that. But my hair and I just like to look a little bit put together. So I started by doing my eyebrows, and I'm using the Sephora Collection Insta Brow Waxy Brow Pencil, and I love it. I personally have the clear one, and I also have the chocolate brown one. I love both of them. I don't think I'm going to be using anything else anytime soon. I always am trying out new products because brands send me them, so I'm so happy that I got gifted this one because it's my favorite thing ever currently. And then for mascara, I just use the Falsies Lash Lift. I love this mascara. It's been my holy grail. I don't need to curl my lashes when I use it, and then I go to move on to doing my hair. Honestly, for me, this has just been a game changer. I just take this time to just get ready for the day because I am always either filming something, and I just feel like if I don't have my hair done or I don't have like mascara on, I just feel like, I don't know, for me I just feel like I'm super sleepy, I'm being lazy. Like for me, I just like to have those things done. It just makes me feel not only more confident, it just makes me feel better for the day and like ready to be motivated to do content. I don't know if that makes sense, but once you are all put together like that, it just makes filming and everything, like it just motivates me to just get it done because I'm like, okay, I look good, I feel good, and I'm just like ready to be productive the rest of my day. So this is what I do to do my little high pony bun. So I just put my hair up first in a ponytail, and then that's the trick to let the bun stay, because if not, for me, my bun will slide out and it's just like annoying. And now that I'm ready, outfit and all, now it's time to get ready to head out. So I'm putting on my favorite Dossier perfume, Ambery Saffron. It's the Baccarat Rouge inspired scent. I love it, amazing, 10 out of 10. I put on my jewelry for the day. Some of my favorite gold jewelry is from Orate, Ana Luisa. I have another one from Amazon. So literally all the good stuff. You can find linked in my Amazon storefront any jewelry that I have from them, but this is me already. And then I'm putting on my Yeezy slides. This is the most comfortable slides ever. Feels like you're walking on a cloud. Then I headed to my boyfriend's house to get some more work done, some more emails, sending things to clients and concepts, and also making my iMac unboxing video go live. And then the last thing from before we head out to run some errands and get on with the rest of my day, I just like to sit outside and just enjoy the fresh air. Hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. See you next time.